Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Void Riz playing some Fortnite Battle Royale. So, guys, we'll be doing shotgun only challenge, and it's pretty hard. I'll tell you that. Like, it's like really hard. So we'll be trying to do that. I'm playing for like the past 2 hours. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy. So where will we be? Hey. On the kitty. Oh, nice skin. Fucking says that every time. And shout out to my boy Manthem, his Twitch. I will be telling you guys at the end of the video. Actually, I'll tell you now. MANTH3M, Manthem. So please subscribe. Please follow him on Twitch. He some streams, I think, every day. I'm not sure. He's a friend of mine. So yeah. Land on the back with a legendary tag. I'm gonna land on the back with a legendary tag. And if I can't win a game, I'll just be doing like just when I get the most kills then. Because every game, winning a game with shotguns only, that's actually, I don't think it'll be that hard. It might be. I'm not sure. I can't use that shit. Blue tag. Ooh, blue palm. I'll take that. I don't know which one I prefer more. In creative, when I'm like build battling and all that shit, I use a pump. And I hit a load of shots. But when I'm in regular matches, I don't know why, I stick to the tag. I don't know why, but I just do. I'm allowed to use a harpoon to hit people. Oh shoot. What is it? You know what? Just for the sake of it, more content, I will be making a harpoon only challenge. I just dropped that right back to where it came from. I don't know why my editing so slow today. But if I get like a scar, I'm gonna be like so ticked off. I really need attack though because, you know, I can't really do a lot of damage with a pump. Like I can, but I usually follow it with an SMG, and I don't have an SMG or carry one. Oh, and comment down below, what is your favorite shotgun? Which one? Yeah, all the season. The heavy, the pump, the tac. Yeah, the pump, the tac, the combat. And personally, me, I like the old pump. This pump's just fucking shit. I'm not gonna turn myself into a fight because this is really boring for you guys to sit here and just not watch any content. Bro, get hit from my AR, boy. Alright, you're just gonna go all creative on me, I see. That was the easiest height of my life. But, you know. I swear to God, I just Mongol special on that fool. That whole time, this dude was literally like just sitting there, my guy. Like, can I edit? Holy shit. What were you doing exactly? Like, holy. gotta say. Pump tag. New meta? Question mark? Bro, what I do to you, my guy? If dude can maybe like fuck off? Question mark? But you never said anything about the henchman. That's what I got. If you had a heavy sniper, I would have been so pissed. Not missed. I'm not gonna drink this flopper because I know there's a campfire right here. Oh, that extra ammo won't hurt. Isn't there supposed to be a campfire over here? Am I just fucking dumb? I'm just fucking dumb. Three kills. It's kind of shitty, but okay. I'm just gonna try to get floppers and I'm just gonna push everybody. just go all creative on my dumbass. And literally, bro, you literally just took the grapple away from me. You're so fucking just, like, I don't even know. Like, I just hate your gay guts. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe if you are new. I'm gonna upload this because this is the best one I've ever had in a while with this bullshit. So I just hope you enjoyed the video. And have a good day. Bye bye.